hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Beamer's Crafty Corner. And I went to Tuesday Morning. I did. I went shopping. I went to Tuesday Morning. I went scavenger to Tuesday Morning on Wednesday because I finally got it worked out now. So let's take a look at what they got, and then I'll show you what I bought. Okay?
Out. Look at all this stuff. So these are all We Are Memory Keepers containers. And they're $3.99 a pack. Look at these little teeny tiny ones for embellishments. Aren't they cute? Then they have the medium ones. And they have the screw top jars and the small ones. And then look at this. Do you see that?
Look at all of them cutters.
Look at all of those cutters. Ooh, they've got a nice corner cutter down here. $5. Oh, look, and it does 3 different corners. That's awesome. 223-2870 for $4.99. I think we're going to get that. And we've got some border punches here. This one's like a bubble. There's a scallop. And this pretty scroll.
I used to have that one.
Looky, looky, looky. We've got champagne glasses and little flowers. It's kind of a clover and some hearts and some scallops. And ooh, look at that, a pineapple punch. And then we've got the tag maker over here for $4.99. Now I have this one, but I don't have one that has a scalloped edge on it like that. But see, it only makes 2 sizes of tags, and then you put the tag in the front and punch down, and it puts on the eyelet for you. Okay, so we saw this one when we were last week, so let me show you the other ones. So this one is Art Supply Basics. This is the acrylic set 6188 for $4.99, and that's 12 colors. Looks like a full palette, and those are the acrylics. And then this one is $12.99, and of course there's your colors on that one. And 18 pieces in here for $12.99. This one is 2216189. And then let's go over this way. So we have a couple more colors of those Brayer Rose watercolor pieces for $1.19. 2219436. And we have quite a few colors of that. We have a violet, turquoise, magenta, black, blue. So those there. Then we have the King Art set of large area brushes for $6.99, 2169692 on those. Okay, now let's come over here real quick. All right, so we have in all of these artsy glitter inks in all different colors. These are $1.99 a piece, and as you can see, there's quite a few of them here. So we got those. Then we got in these from Artsy. They are so stinking cute. Look at how tiny they are. These are for $1.49, 2219400. We got those. And then, because that's not enough, we got this stuff. All right. First thing we got in was this. This is EK Success for $2.19. These are double-sided writing pens in both a 1.2 millimeter and a 1 millimeter gold and silver. These are from Artsy. These are in for $1.49. They come in 2 colors, black and brass. Excuse me. Black is 2219399 and the brass is 2219391 for $1.49. We got Crafter's Companions. These are stamping platforms. I got a 4x4 inch grid and a 6x6. The 4x4 for $7.49 is 2220709. And the 6x6 is $9.99, 2220711. So we got those in. Alright, we got this in from Simple Stories. This is called the Sunshine Embellishment Kit. And it comes with 3 rolls of washi tape, a set of enamel dots, and then 183 stickers. That's kind of cool. That's for $4.99. 224-8337 on that one. Yes. And they're still running through all the Christmas stuff. Of course, you're still going to find all the Christmas stuff in. They've re-upped all of the double dot brads for Bo Bunny. We've got in quite a few of the new ephemera packs for the various pads. Too much washi tape to go through, guys. We have some thickers for Valentine's. This is called My Sweet for $2.19. 61 pieces. $219-6340. That's the other side. We got those in. Let's go back and see what we got in the basket, shall we? Shall we? Of course we shall. Alright, so here's what we got. I'm going to start with... We start with these. I'm a disaster. Okay, so here's what we got. We've got these. These are $6.99 a piece, and they are genuine leather. It is a piece of 12 by 12 inch cricket leather. This one is in the cranberry, 223-7094. This one is in the metallic gold, 223-7097. This one is in camel, 223-7093. This is bronze, 223-7096. Of course, they have the black, 223-7092. And then they had the foil embossed papers for $4.99, 223-1519. And these are 12 pieces of 12-inch cardstock. So you have the polka dots and the candy cane stripe, the little hearts, and then this like floral one here. So we got those in. Alright. We got in some small. We got in some small paper packs. Let's take a look at some of these. So, first things first. We have Take Flight and Take Flight 2. 24 sheets apiece. 2115683, 2115864. Okay, and let's see. These are double-sided. This is the other one. This one, I think Take Flight 2 is a little bit more masculine, and Take Flight 1 is a little more feminine. So we got those in. We got in Beach Babe and Beach Bum. Beach Babe is 2115865. Again, this is 24 sheets, double-sided. Let's see if we can get a look. Very hard to see. And then this one, again, pink and Maine. This is the Beach Bum for $2.99, 2115886. Alright, we also got in Be Brave for $2.99, 2115862. I threw it on the floor. We're going to have the Amy do the flippy thing.
Okay, so on the corner?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I can do this, I swear. Nope, I can't. They're very stuck together.
This is so going on the blooper reel. Okay.
Kind of southwest.
Let's move past that. Shades of Spring for $2.99. 2116860, I believe, is the number on this one. Double-sided. These are just kind of geometric shapes on bright, springy colors. Okay, so we got those.
You just get hung up there.
Yeah, that was horrible. All right. So we got some interesting paper in. So one of the things we got in was this. This is from Reminisce. It's called Moonrise Unicorn Magic. This is 25 sheets of 12 by 12 inch cardstock for $2.99. 2235713. And I would like this, but I don't need all of this, and the unicorn is, quite frankly, too large. Pretty, though. Okay. Guys, I love this one. This one is called the Lazy Scrapbookers block. This is from Recollections. It's 12 with treatments, a total of 48 pages. Are you ready for this? So bad. Could you hold that for me for a second? So I had to open this to look. This is literally put the picture in the page. I'm not kidding. Look. Insert photo here, okay? It is completed scrapbook, flat scrapbook papers that you just put the pictures in. And they've even cut holes so you can slide the pictures in behind the ephemeral looking pieces. That one's $6.99, 221-4394. We got in some paper packs. So let's take a look at these real quick. Okay. So the first one we got in was Dots and Stripes in foil for $3.99, 223-5669. And that's what they look like. Just like that. We got in Hello Spring for $5.99, 222-6720. And there's your stickers. Right there. And those are your papers. Number 2266720. The next one we got in was this one from Cartabella. This is Birthday. So you get 6 sheets of paper in here, 2 blue, 2 beige, and 2 red. And then they basically say happy birthday, celebrate, party, that type of thing. 223-5654 for $3.99. And let's see. We got this one, Mermaid Tails, in. There's your papers. $5.99 on this one, 222-6721. And there's your sticker sheet. This is Echo Park. And we got in the Valentine's stuff. So we got 2 sets in. The first one is Blowing Kisses. 12 by 12 double-sided sheets, including a 12 by 12 sheet of element stickers. So you get your cut-aparts, your strips, and your stickers. Here's your stickers. And these are your pages. $5.99 on this one. 222-6711. And then the other one is the Amour by Karina Gardner. Again, for Echo Parks. So you're going to get your sticker sheet. You're going to get your cut-aparts on this one. These are your papers. And that's your sticker sheet. Right there. And this one is $5.99, 222-6715. And then, we got all of this. Let me pull this one over here. So this is the Chamel. This is the project pad on this one for $6.99, 219-6301, 33 sheets. Now, I know I've looked at this before because it's got all the colored in the back and then it's got dragons and stuff throughout. I think I actually own this pad. Hard to say. But you do get a pad of letters and everything in here. So I got that. And it's $6.99, 219-6301. But they also have this one, which is the journaling card pad for $2.99, 219-6368. And as you can see, these are some pretty big journaling cards. They're the size of the pad. So they're a little bit bigger than what you would expect to find for a journaling pad. Then they also have in the 9-piece Chamel acrylic stamps, which also goes with Head in the Clouds, which is the unicorn set, for $2.99, 219-6383. And if that's not enough, they have the ephemera pack for $1.99. 2196376 on that one. And that's all the pieces that you get. And then they have the Head in the Clouds sticker book, 240 stickers for $249, 2196311. That's kind of the stickers that come in there. And they have the glitter enamel dots for $1.99, 2196372. 60 pieces. Those are kind of cute. Let's see, what else? What else? What else? What else? We got stuff, man. I'm telling you. All right, so the next thing up was this one from Kelly Panisi through K & Company. Die-cut card making pad for $219, 2196330. And basically what this is it's just your 6 by like they're 6 by like 10 paper, and you fold them in half, and they basically make a card with a die cut front. And I can show you how to do this on regular cardstock, but they're $219, 2196330. If you need to make some cards quickly, there's a plan for you. All right, they also got in the AC cardstock. This is their Valentine's pack. 60 sheets, 12 by 12. 12 new colors, they say. $6.99 on this one. 2232564. Let's take a look. So we've got our standard white, pink, light pink, ooh, fuchsia. Reds, reds, dark reds, plum reds, black, brown reds. Yeah, basically red, 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 red. Okay?
So what did I buy? Well, I bought some of those little tiny keys because they were cute. So I had to get some little tiny keys. So there's 9 in each package, 3 of each style, and there's 3 different styles in there. So I got 2 packs of those. Okay, I'm lying. I bought 3. But, you know, I got the Chanel dots. I got those for $1.99 just because they're so cute, and because I'm going to be working on a unicorn journal because it was requested. So since I'm going to be working on one, I thought this would be really awesome to have for that. And I got 2 sets of the Head in the Clouds ephemera packs. And these aren't bad. There's 40 pieces in here, and like they have like this miniature library card. How tiny is that? And they got a whole bunch of other stuff. And I'm not really going to be using the Chamel paper with this because I don't like the Chamel paper. I do have the pad. I'm going to probably use 1 or 2 pieces of it, but not much. I may use some of the stickers from it. But I think what I'm all right. So until I see you again, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that red button for me. Subscribe. Hang around for a while. See what I got cooking. If you have, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Until the next time, guys, do me a favor. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye now.